Yeah, it feels like we're getting all of winter just in 1 month. And it's not just us here in Connecticut that's going to see a very busy weather pattern. There's a lot of real estate that's going to be affected by this. So we've got this cold air diving down from the top of the globe. You should see the numbers here. Minneapolis, North Dakota, South Dakota. You're talking about temperatures way below zero. Meanwhile, 70s and 80s right now for areas in Florida. Yeah. Now, in between, this is where the jet stream is, and this is where storms end up tracking. And it just so happens to be positioned right over us. So it's an active storm track. But what this also does is, because we are kind of situated between that warmer air to the south and the cooler air to the north, it gives us issues with trying to figure out what the precipitation type will be. I don't think we're just going to keep getting snow. There's a chance that we get snow, rain, a wintry mix, ice, maybe a combination of all of that stuff with each of these events. And we'll try to take it one by one and let you know what I'm thinking for each event. Now, the first is going to be Saturday night into Sunday morning. That looks like a light wintry mix to come in, some snow, some sleet, and that will come from the south. There's another little disturbance that kind of tries to join forces, but it never really fully gets its act together. Low temperatures tonight dropping back into the teens for a lot of the states. So it is another cold night ahead. And heading through the day tomorrow, mostly cloudy skies, increasing clouds. I think by the afternoon, it turns overcast with high temperatures still below average, something that we've seen a lot of this month, but not a lot of the last couple of years. High temperatures in the mid-20s to right around 30 degrees. Then after 6 or 7 o'clock, we'll start to see the rising chance for that light wintry mix. You'll see the white representing the chance for some snowflakes, the pink, maybe some sleet, and there is even a chance that we get a light little glaze of ice. We're not expecting a lot, but it doesn't take much to make the road slippery, especially untreated surfaces, which is why I was saying earlier, just to make sure that your home is okay, to throw some salt out before you go to bed. That will last into early on Sunday morning, but by mid to late morning, we should dry out for your Valentine's Day. The roads will improve, and good news if you have any reservations or plans for Valentine's Day afternoon or evening, because we'll see improving conditions out on the roads as temperatures climb into the middle 30s. Then we're keeping our eye on Monday. Just keep checking through these events, right? There's a chance for a light wintry mix in the morning. It'll be rather scattered in nature, but it could start to fill in as we head into Monday night as a different disturbance approaches. I think this one starts off as ice, transitions over to rain. So Tuesday is going to be not a nuisance variety event, but maybe more of a high impact event. It depends on how much ice we could see before that possible transition over to rain. And then there's another one for later in the week. This is Thursday into Friday. This one has a better chance at bringing us some snow accumulation, some plowable snow accumulation before changing over to a mix, and then possibly rain on Friday as temperatures climb up around the 40-degree mark. So just to kind of recap, nuisance event for Saturday night into Sunday morning, kind of nuisance variety stuff for Monday, but then heading into Tuesday, that's going to be a possibility for more of a higher impact event for us, and the same is true for Thursday into Friday. Luckily, kids are off from school on Monday and Tuesday. I was really happy when I suddenly realized that tonight, because that would be a headache to try to figure that out. Your Shoreline 7-day forecast, highs in the mid-30s, Sunday through Tuesday, near 40 degrees by this time next week. I wish that was coming along with some nice sunshine, though. Unfortunately, it's with some rain. So lots of moving parts here, and that precipitation type may change depending on the storm's track. Again, we're right on the line. So Sam Perry will have an update tomorrow morning. Rachel Piscatelli tomorrow evening. It's one of those things I think we need to take kind of one event at a time, guys.